Introducing Schedule Builder, the new, faster, and more organized way to enroll into classes on CUNY First. In this lesson, you'll learn how to log into Schedule Builder, the different ways to search and add courses to your cart, how to filter out specific time blocks to make scheduling easier, enrolling, dropping, and swapping out of courses, and handling advisor-issued recommendations. Before continuing, we recommend you take our lesson on DegreeWorks to better understand some of the functions we'll be covering later. So, what is Schedule Builder? As we said earlier, Schedule Builder is our new and faster way to enroll into courses. This software uses easy navigation and a great user-friendly interface to plan out the upcoming semester. Advisors can also use the software to recommend a list of courses to a student. To access Schedule Builder, navigate to your Student Center page and click the Schedule Builder tile, as seen on the image on screen. What are the benefits of using Schedule Builder? Schedule Builder combines the power of CUNY First enrollment and search engine, along with DegreeWorks planning and audit features, into one screen. All enrollment drops and swaps done on Schedule Builder will reflect on CUNY First in real time. Before searching for courses, we need to set up our Schedule Builder. First, select your home college, Lehman College, from the list provided. Second, select your instruction mode. Students can choose from the following instruction modes: hybrid, high-flex, hybrid asynchronous, hybrid synchronous, in-person, online asynchronous, online mix, online synchronous. For more information on instruction modes, you can refer to the Office of the Registrar Modes on the instruction page. The following video will walk you through the different ways you can search for courses.
There's 4 different ways that you can add courses to your Schedule Builder cart. The first easiest way to add courses is to just start typing into the text box. As you type, more courses will appear. Let's start out with an ENG 111. Now, I know you see that schedule on the right, but let's focus our attention here for now. The next way is using the advanced search. We can get very specific with what courses we're looking for by using this view. From here, you can search for courses under academic career, course subject, attribute, requirement designation, and even session. Okay, so let's say I just want to see all courses that are undergraduate, English, and writing intensive. Oh, wow. They're all here. So let's say I want to take an African Studies course with 0 textbook cost. Oh, we actually have those. That's pretty cool. Okay, but what if I'm a freshman and my advisor told me to take any creative expression course this term, and I don't even know what that looks like? Well, the advanced search will take care of all that guesswork. If you hover down, you'll see all of our requirement designations listed out. And these were only a few examples, so we encourage you to play around with it. The third way to search for courses is by using the Student Educational Planner. The planner is an extension of DegreeWorks, and it's a way for advisors to plan out a student's academic career on a term-by-term basis. If your advisor already planned out courses for you through the Student Educational Planner for the semester, then you can just import it through here. Click on the Worksheet button and your DegreeWorks audit will load up. From here, you can pick and choose which courses from the DegreeWorks audit you want to import into your Schedule Builder cart.
The following video will walk you through creating your schedule.
Now that you know how to search for classes, it's time to start building some schedules. Before we get into the calendar, let's look at the top for a second. If we expand the class detail, we'll see current information on the section that is currently displaying on the calendar. If we scroll through the calendar, you'll notice that the information changes. You can also filter out certain sections by expanding the class card. If you tick these boxes off, it'll remove the section from the scheduled results. Next, we have the Sort By button. This will prioritize all scheduled results that you'll see first by a specific parameter that you set. Maybe I just want to see schedules with the most days off. If I click Most Days Off, that's exactly what I'll get. If you keep scrolling through, the days off that you'll have will be less and less. Next, we have the filters. These options will allow you to remove any closed or waitlisted classes from your generated results. And now for the calendar view. If you look to the left, you'll notice all your 1-hour time blocks are evenly divided between 9 a.m. and 10 p.m. At the top, you'll have your different days of the week going from Monday to Friday. If you add in a course that meets on Saturday or Sunday, then the calendar will update and add those days in as well. Another awesome feature of Schedule Builder is the ability to block out personal time. Let's block out Mondays from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I'm not a morning guy, especially on Mondays. If you click and drag from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., you'll notice that your scheduled results are ordered a little differently. This is because Schedule Builder now prioritizes your personal time when displaying scheduled results, and any schedules that conflict with your personal time will be thrown to the back. You can also do this with the Add Personal Times button at the bottom. Something that you may not know is that the Schedule Builder calendar and our Lehman College academic calendar are good friends. If you scroll through the weeks using the arrow, you'll be able to see different events that may be happening on specific days, as well as some classes that may not be meeting or may have moved around for a specific week. This is an awesome way to plan ahead, and a good way for you to see what your academic future is going to look like for the next term. Lastly, let's talk about saving your favorite schedules. What used to be an ordeal full of post-its and stress is now done with a simple click. Let's say you're scrolling through your schedule results and you come across a schedule that might work for you, but you want to save it for later. Simply scroll down and hit Save as Favorite. A new view will open up on the right called Favorites. If you click on the little box, you'll be able to give the schedule a title, just so that you can remember it for later. Now let's add a couple more favorites. You can import a saved favorite into your schedule results by clicking the blue arrow button. You can also remove favorites by clicking the delete button as well.
The following video will walk you through the enrollment, swapping, and dropping processes.
Today we'll be showing you how to add, drop and swap classes using Schedule Builder. First, we'll start with how to add classes. After logging into CUNY First, select the Student Center homepage. Once the student homepage appears, select the Schedule Builder tile. Once the application loads, choose the term for which you want to search for classes. By default, your home college is pre-selected. You can choose to filter your class search by clicking on your preferred instruction mode. For this example, we will keep all instruction modes selected and close the filter. Search for courses by typing the subject area, course number, course title, or instructor. Use the advanced search feature for more search options. Easily search for classes by making selections to adjust or combine your search criteria, such as selecting your academic career, a course attribute, or your preferred session. Click on the Expand Detail arrow. Here, you can find the course description, all course requirements, and available sections. Hover over each section number to view each class section across the calendar grid. Note, if you see this mouse icon beside a section number, this is an online class. After adding your courses, Schedule Builder will automatically generate all possible schedules. Navigate through the possible combinations by using the arrow keys, or by using the arrow buttons located at the top of the calendar. Click on the Class Details slider to get more information about a particular class section, such as the available seats, class location, or instruction for that section. Click and drag across the calendar grid to block out times you are unable to attend or prefer not to take classes. You can further filter your results by clicking this filter button or this sort by button and selecting your desired preferences. Users can pin a course by clicking on it, and Schedule Builder will work around the pinned courses, reducing the available schedule options. It is important to note, certain classes may still show up in the list of possible combinations, suggesting you may need to rethink a particular section or, if possible, your available times. Once you've created the perfect schedule, but you're unsure if there are any issues that will prevent you from enrolling in classes, you may choose to validate your shopping cart. Select Get this schedule, adjust the action from Enroll and select Add to Cart to confirm that you meet the enrollment requirements. All actions should display Add to Cart, then click on Do Action. To validate the shopping cart, click on Return to Select Courses and select Validate Shopping Cart. You can check the results of the validation here in this column. If you are ready to enroll, and you've found a schedule that you like, select Get this schedule. Be sure that your actions are all set to enroll and then do action. Schedule Builder has successfully enrolled us into these courses. Select Return to Courses where you should see the word Enrolled beside all your courses. To drop a course, simply select the trash can beside the course you wish to drop. Click on Get this schedule and then do action. If the class is successfully dropped, you will see the word Success here. To swap a section, click on the drop-down beside the class number. Choose the section you would like to swap for. Select Get this schedule and then do action.
The following video will show you how to handle advisor recommendations.
A huge advantage that Schedule Builder offers is the ability for advisors to recommend plans for students. If you're meeting with an advisor to go over what courses you should take for the next semester, ask them to recommend the courses through Schedule Builder. To see if you have any recommended plans, open up your Schedule Builder and you will be greeted with this message. The recommendation will be labeled with a title as well as a message for you from the advisor. It's important that you read the message as it might have important instructions for you to follow prior to enrolling. If the option to skip this recommendation is available at the bottom, it means that the advisor has labeled it to be not mandatory and will allow you to take courses outside of the recommendation. Mandatory recommendations cannot be skipped, and you must follow the recommended plan that your advisor has set for you. Once you click on a recommendation, all the courses that your advisor planned out for you will autofill your Schedule Builder cart and calendar. You'll notice that these courses are now either required or recommended. Required courses are locked by the advisor and must be enrolled into. There are two ways that advisors can lock courses. If an advisor locks a course but not the sections, then you're free to enroll into any section within that course. If a course is locked at the section level, then you must enroll into that specific section. And finally, any course with a recommended tag means that you can enroll into any section of the course or even remove it from your cart. Thank you so much for joining us on this training module for Schedule Builder. We hope you learned a lot, and we recommend that you take a look at our student manual on our website. There's a whole bunch of tips and tricks that just didn't make it into the training module. Thanks again for watching, and happy building.
Thank you so much for completing our Schedule Builder learning module. For more information on Schedule Builder, visit our website or send us an email if you ever run into an issue.